Adi.
Welcome back to the channel, people. You know, say me have to bring on the good news, right? Vybz Kartel bring his daughter to car shop today. So they went car shopping, and if you guys have been following him for a while now, you would know that Adianna is doing very well in school, and this is one of the way that he's rewarding her. So he got her one of the most recent SUV. We're not touched yet. I'm gonna hear him talking at the video. But basically he's saying that this came from the dealership. Nobody never driving it yet. And Adianna is not even old enough to have a license. But guess what? The man said he must show up for him daughter because she deserve it. No, me not say every parent will buy them children a SUV or buy them children luxury gifts. But when your children are doing well, make sure that you reward them. It doesn't matter how small or how big the reward is. Make sure that you reward them. So when you reward them, they will definitely continue to do well.
Birthday. Big up my daughter. She's not even old enough to have a license. But she said daddy want a car. So I grab her the 2025 Mini SUV. Not the Cooper. Brand new 2025. From the dealership. Remember, I won Prinny. So she have to get the best.
People, wanna help me big up Vybz Kartel because I know every child have this opportunity to have them father around them. And one thing when nobody can say is that this man never did it for him children them. He always did it for all him children them. So no big up Kartel in the comment section.
Adi.
Wanna leave in the comments down in the comment section about the teacher and when do film data. Until then, wanna take care of yourself.